Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude with Perplexity AI in 2026. Now, in order to connect it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude.ai. Over here, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in, simply click on the option of the customize here in the left hand side. Then click on the option of connect your apps. Now over here you will be shown all of the Anthropic and the partner applications available. So since we want to connect our Claude AI account with Perplexity, you need to simply use this particular search bar, and here you just have to simply search for Perplexity AI. So when you search for Perplexity AI, if you are able to find it over here, it is well and good. But as you can see, currently it is not available here for the integration. So it simply means that currently you can't connect Claude AI with Perplexity AI because these two are two separate platforms. So in this situation, what you can do is you can just simply come here on perplexity.ai and then you can sign up here absolutely for free. Now when you sign up, when you click on the option of models, you are going to see the Claude models available here. So you can select any of these Claude models available here, and then you can basically provide your prompt and it is going to provide you the response based on the Claude model that you have selected. So currently it's the only option that you have in order to use both of these together. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.